Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. Today, I have my Boxycharm in, and I'm excited because, you know, they've been spoiling the box so much lately, and the variations have been like just the small things, not the biggest thing. So I kind of like that this month, if you don't know, variations of different color pop palettes you could get, and also like another variation was you're either going to get this Tarte highlighter or a MAC lipstick. You know, so it was nice to be kept guessing for a little while, and you don't know what variation you get until it comes in. They have changed up what the card looks like. It used to just be like a postcard with, you know, described what everything was, gave you a little tip. You didn't get a picture. Now you get a picture and then the markup or the price. I think they're really not, they used to give you like tips on how to use it, so they've kind of cut that out, which is different. But it does show you what's all in your box. And so you know, I'll pop the first thing that everybody got in their box is a Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. And it's pretty small. It's 1 ounce. I'm assuming this is full size. It's $47. $47. Okay, I love their primers. Like, we got the luminous one last month. I think I bought a couple extra because I just love that primer. And that primer retails, I think, for $34 to $38, somewhere around there. Their mattifying one that I buy on my own actually retails for $45. So I'm excited to use this. I'll probably use it on my live this week because I will probably have a live, and it is sealed. Ooh, it has a permy smell. That's an interesting thing we got. And everybody got one of these, I do believe. Or there could have been one other thing. You could have got this Jelly Pong thing. You could have got that instead of this, maybe. Got the Brow Gal. It is the Instant Brown Hair 2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. And that's my color. Like, it's really dark. This is supposed to be like the really dark one, so it might just work even though it is brown. I prefer brown, I prefer black or ebony. Look, this is $22, and I did not do my brows. I did not do a lot of my makeup, just so I could have a chance to do it with y'all. Oh, you look light. That looks so light. It's way too light. Oh my gosh, I was hoping it'd be dark, but look at that. I don't know. I think I really want to. I'll see what it does, but that's not a dark brown. You like, if I was desperate, maybe. If I was totally out of brow wigs, which will never happen. I don't know. I guess it doesn't look too bad on camera. Go with that. Next, I got, and you're either going to get a Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter, or you were going to get a MAC lipstick. I got the highlighter, and I got the shade Stunner, which I actually love. I have the powder highlight. I think I have a sample of it, which, you know, lasts forever. I do have this, and I think this is from their unicorn collection, right? So it's actually like a pretty deeper color. I'm gonna tap it on. I had powder under my eyes, but not on my cheeks really. So we're gonna see how this goes on. I do like this because I have to be careful with the powder highlight, because I think the powder highlight actually has carmine. You know, that's kind of close to my eyeball, so I have to be careful. It's pretty. Jab for the cheek. I don't have a problem with liquid products. It's just I don't have time to use them in the morning. Like, this is taking like where I would just like swirl, swipe, really. Taking like a minute to blend in. But it is blending nicely. Not mad at this. This says it retails for $29. I got variation number 4. And it was the My Little Pony palette. I have already opened this, in all honesty. I opened this box to see which one I had because I needed to see which shades. If y'all don't know, I'm allergic to carmine. Most people who are watching this will know I'm allergic to carmine. I had to look at the carmine shades and then write them on the back. But I grew up with My Little Pony, really. I had these gorgeous ponies, which I gave to my youngest niece, or my oldest niece, and she was younger. But they weren't taken care of, and I'm thinking they were thrown away a long time ago, which is sad, because the ones I had were not these cheap plastic ones that they have now. And I took care of these things, even at 3 years old. I remember having them at 3 years old. I took care of them. They did not have tangled manes or anything, but they were actually hard rubber, like solid rubber. You couldn't squeeze these things. Those are the ponies I had, and they all had like jewels on their side instead of just a painted decoration, which is what it is now. And I had probably like 30 of them, and they were hard, and a lot of them were winged, like not actual wings like going out, but like on their backs. And then all of them had a jewel mostly, but I kept them in such good shape, and I played with them all the time. But their hair was not knotted. It was nice. They had good hair with like, a lot of them had like glitter strands in it too, which you had to be careful when you groomed them. I remember that. But I love that set, and now it's like lost and forever. So this like harkens back to me. I looked there, out of 12 shades, 5 shades I can't use. Probably why I didn't buy this palette, because that's why I don't own a ColourPop palette, because of that. Well, now I own 2, but there's only 1 shade in the Dream Street that had carmine, and none in that neutral one I won from Audra or Warloss, that had no carmine. So looking at that, okay. Honestly, all I did was open it, looked on the ColourPop website, wrote on the back which shades had carmine, and to know how this like looked in the thing, right? Okay, and then I opened it up, and I turned it on its back real quick, and Sky Dancer popped out. Sky Dancer was a beautiful, lilac-y, very shimmery, like gorgeous shimmer, like almost like a highlight purple, like a light purple. Not like this packaging actually, but like, a strong sheen, right? And it just fell out. Now I'm not going to contact them or anything like that, because all the other palettes have at least 4 shades carmine. If I got this one, I wouldn't be able to use that shade anyway, so it's really never mind to me that it's out of there. I'm glad it didn't make a mess in the other shadows though, so that's a plus, because all this row down here is usable, this shade's usable, and these 2 shades are usable to me. So I'm glad it didn't get anywhere. I'm glad it just kind of fell like that. Like, basically I opened it up and like looked at it like that, and it fell out. So I'm glad it did that. But it's not where I wouldn't use that shade anyway, unless I just wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick eye look. I'm gonna go into this peachy color, which is Flutterby. Throw that up in my crease. Yeah, I noticed this Essence Balloon Brush got a little flat for some reason. That's okay. I noticed the ColourPop's website. I'm glad I didn't get any shimmer ones. The shimmer ones are just like the Semi Precious and the Golden State of Mine are just lumped together ingredients, and says may contain carmine on like every shade. So I'm like, oh, okay. Even if like there's only 1 shade or 2, we probably keep this palette just because of My Little Pony thing. I'm gonna get the grab on with that color, which is Bluebell. Doesn't make sense, but it's Bluebell. Take this brush, and I'm gonna go into this white color. It's like a duochrome. I'm not even gonna spray it, I just wanna see how it applies dry, which is normally my test on my shadows. Okay, that one's a big chunky mess dry. Okay. Well, like chalky, chunky mess. Where is that first layer? Oh no, I'm not gonna show it much. Not it. I'm gonna spray my brush because seriously this came down on my lap and that'll just tear him off. I'm gonna go into the blue shade right beside it, which is, that shade was Snuzzle. This one's Fire. It's really pretty, like, shimmer. Aqua, I guess. No, that one applies nice. I like that one. And this little angled one, I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is very pretty, like deep teal kind of color. It's a sparkle. I'm gonna go in. colors I can use except for like one gold, and then the one I had the pro one with are very light cool, so like blue. It's fine. We have enough blue. And take this deep purpley color, which is Twilight. And go same brush, I'm going underneath. And glitter fall out from that one shade. That's fine. That first white one. Not bad. Very icy. I think I would intensify that, and definitely on that white duochrome shade. Like it's kind of powdery and glittery. Like use a setting spray. You can see that. I will swatch the ones I can use though. Okay. Oh, I like that peachy shade. Should use that. There we go. Okay, I repeated that one, but it's fine. So those are the shades I can use. I'm not going to bother swatching the other. Alright, next and last thing I got in this box is from Edesse. Halt Fire, Halt Mocha, Hot Cocoa. Something like that. The price of this is $24. I'm glad it's the nude because, well, with all the color pop shadows, you kind of need a nude because not everything's going to go. It looks like that. It's very pretty. It's a pretty nude. This smells alright. It's a flat wand, like a NYX liquid suede kind of thing. That's nice. Okay, that's the kind of nude I really do go for, especially in the fall since it's leaning towards brown, but it's not the darkest brown. So like summer, fall, but at least right now. But it's a pretty color. It's not dried down so far. I don't know if it's going to. I'll leave it on for a while and let you know. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodle.